Fáilte roimh go fáil mí níos Gaeilge. Welcome back to Let's Learn Irish. Level A1, topic A, bia agus Deoch. Level A1, topic 9, food and drink. Level A1, topic A, Rannóg Costas, ag díriú isteach bheith Labhairt. Level A1, topic 9, section 10, cost, focusing on speaking. Rannóg Costas, section 10, cost. Lemúna, ceist de chur, cé bhéad atá rud éigean, agus ag freagairt na ceiste sin, an bille a lurg. So asking how much something is and answering that question and asking for the bill or the check. Rachanid siar na bonivricha will review the numbers: a náid, a haon, a dó, a trí, a chathair, a cúig, a sé, a seacht, a hocht, a lí, a de. And now on your own. Agus inis, teachig an iver suas, and now the number will come up and I'll have you say it as it comes up. A trí, a dó, a cúig, a chathair, a haon, a lí, a seacht, a náid, a sé, a de, a hocht. And now I'll have you repeat them after me. Euro. Euro a wine. €2. €3. €4. €2. €6. €7. €8. €9. €10. And now read them one more time by yourself. There are two ways to refer to prices between €11 and €19. For example, €2 déag or a €2. €2 déag or a €2. A little bit of a tongue twister. So choose whichever way works best for you. And the first way is the official Caidán and can be seen in the Caidán from 2017 on page 144. We have €1 déag, €2 déag, €3 déag, €4 déag, €5 déag, €6 déag, €7 déag, €8 déag, €9 déag, €20. And the noun euro never changes after the cardinal numbers. And here we have the alternative method: a €10, a €2, a €3, a €4, a €5, a €6, a €7, a €8, a €9, €20. And some more examples: €1, €2, €3, €3 €10 or €4, €50, €50, €60, €7, €8, €9. Agus seo 50 cent, 50 cent, 50 cents, 50 cent. Abere, say it, 50 cent. And some examples with cents. €2, €2 10 cent, €2 50 cent, €2 30 cent, €2 10 cent, €2 50 cent. €3, €4 60 cent, €5 70 cent, €6 80 cent, €7 9 cent, €8. Costas. Lay na praisna amach os ord. Read the prices out loud. €10, €20, €25, €32, €2 Deoch is 50 cent. €47, €63, €75, 50 cent. Cead, how much? Asking how much something costs. Cead atá sin. How much is that? Cead atá sin. Abere, cead atá sin. Cead atá sin. Cead atá chupán cafe. How much is a cup of coffee? Cead atá chupán cafe. Your turn. Cead atá how much is it? I will ask you a question, chuig me ceist agus freagar an ceist. Answer the question. Cead atá chupán té? €2, 50 cent. Cead atá bhuidéil isce? €1 10 cent. Cead atá halaid? €5, 50 cent. Cead atá chluine fianna? €4, 50 cent. Cead atá chluine bainne? €2. Cead atá chupán cafe? €3, 50 cent. Beag an filleog Costas má thiopa áit túil uad don gníomhaíocht seo. You'll need the handout Cost My Local Shop for this activity. Costas má thiopa áit túil. Cost My Local Shop. So this activity can be done with a study buddy or a partner, or you can do it by yourself. I'll give the directions for a partner first, and then I'll tell you how you can adapt it to do it by yourself. Cén costas atá na hairí seo I leanas iad a thiopa áit túil? How much do the following items cost in your local shop? Scríobh costas na nairí síos na spás na cuí. Write down the cost of the goods in the appropriate spaces. Ansin, fáil amach cén costas atá na hairí céanna I siopa áitiúil de pháirtnéire. Next, find out what the same items cost in your partner's local store. Ceocha an siopa is Costas. Which shop is the most expensive? Cén cheist a bheith ag teastáil uait? What question will you need to ask? Nábí bortha faoi phrais ceart na narí is leor meastachán. So don't be worried about the exact price of the items. An estimate is sufficient. So if you're doing this by yourself, you can just fill out a second column of prices. Just make sure they're a little different, and then you can practice looking at them and saying which one is most expensive. Ceocha an siopa is Costas. Ansin, then, lé amach price na narí I the siopa féin agus siopa de pháirtnéir. Then read out the prices of the items in your own shop and that of your partner. Beag an bhfuilteog Costas bíolann na seamróige uait don buíochas seo. You will need the handout, the Shamrock restaurant, for this activity. Bíolann na seamróige, the Shamrock restaurant. Tá tú ag obair I Míle na seamróige. You're working in the Shamrock restaurant. Caithfidh tú an buíochas a chríoch nua. You need to complete the menu. Tá praosanna in asnamh. There are prices missing. Tá an tolas ag freastalí eile. So another waitress or waiter has the information. Chur Gaeilge nó airthaí agus chur ceistena nó airthaí chun an buíochas a lína isteach I gceart. Call him or her and ask them questions in order to fill in the menu correctly. Mar hampla, for example, fáil mór A, learner A. Deoch, conas atá tú? Tá mé ag obair a nacht. Cé atá gur míle maithagad, á mór, and so on. So, hello, how are you? I'm working tonight. How much does this cost? Thank you very much. Good luck, and so on. Again, you can take this activity one step further with a partner and do a small role play. Dús, chuirfidh duine A glí dhuine B chun na praisna a fháil uaidh. First, person A will call person B to get the prices. Beag córa iomlán a gcuimh, you'll have a complete conversation. Ansin, chuirfidh duine B glí dhuine A chun na praisna a fháil uaidh. Then person B will call person A to get the prices from them. Beag córa iomlán a gcuimh arís, you'll have a complete conversation again. Déan cleachta na ceistena seo a leanas dús. So practice the following questions first. I'll read them and I'll have you repeat them after me. Cé atá chopán café agus coca beag le do hull? Cé atá chopán té agus capara fiola le do hull? Cé atá dhá chopán té agus dhá cocha beaga? Cé atá chluine fianna agus uachtaróite? Cé atá chluine fianna agus chluine beorach? Cé atá dhá chluine fianna le do hull? Agus siad na freagraí, and here are the answers. An buíochas. Cupán café, €2.50. Cupán té, €2.50. Glunne isce, €2. Glunne bainne, €2. Glunne buíochas, €3. Glunne fianna, €4. Ceapara fiola, €4. Ceapara salad, €3.50. Coca beag, €2.50. Coca mór, €2.50. Ucht de roite, €3. And you'll notice initially I just said €2.50 for cupán cafe agus cupán té. So just like in English, sometimes we'll say €2.50 or €2.50. An bille, the bill or the check. Customer, the customer. An bille le de hull. An bille le de hull. The bill, please. Frastally, cínta, sugat. Cínta, sure. Sugat, here you are. Cínta, sugat. Customer, no made the wine. Shudit. So 1 minute, no made a wine, no made a wine. Shudit or shudit. So you'll sometimes hear shudit and shudit. It's a canóid variation, either or. An bille le de hull. The bill, please. Ag buint úsáide as an míleog Costas Míle na seamróige. Déan ról gníomhaíocht jaar ag buint úsáide as an bhóclór fad atá clúdaithe sa rang, go háirithe an chuid dhearnach. So using the handout Costas Míle na seamróige, do a little role play, a short role play, using all of the vocabulary that we've covered so far in the class, especially the last part. An bille le de hull. The bill, please. Má tá trúr agaibh, if you have 3 people, glacigh fáil a bháin, roll an rastalí, agus beag an bhairte eile mar customary. So one person will be the waiter or waitress and the other 2 people will be the customers. Buin úsáid as beannachtaí ag tús na ról gníomhaíochta agus ag an deire chomá. So use greetings at the beginning of the role play and at the ending as well. Ag an bhilleog sa teachtarna, sa café agus sa bhaile uad don gníomhaíocht seo. So you'll need the handout in the pub, in the cafe and at home for this activity. Córáite, conversations. Is córáite difriúla iad, ceann amháin sa teachtarna, ceann eile sa café, agus ceann eile sa bhaile. So there are different conversations, one in a pub, one in a coffee shop, and another at home. Sa teachtarna, in the pub. Frastally, cad bhhailibh, customer, gá fianta Guinness agus glunne suaráiste le de hull. Frastally, cínte, bhhailach leacair sa suaráiste. Customer, bhá go raibh maithagat. Frastally, sugat, sin €2.50 le de hull. Customer, sugat, €20. Frastally, bhfuil 50 agat? Customer, tá cínte, sugat. Frastally, agus €10 ghuite, go raibh maithagat. Customer, go raibh maithagat féin, sláinte. And we'll go through it together and then I'll give you a chance to read through it by yourself. Cad bhhailibh, what would you like? Gá fianta Guinness agus glunne suaráiste le de hull. 2 pints of Guinness and a glass of orange juice, please. Cínte, a bhfuil Labhairt sa suaráiste? Certainly. Would you like ice in the orange juice? Labhairt is ice. Bua, gur mahagat. Yes, thank you. Sugat, sin €9 le the hull. There you go. That's $9.50, please. Sugat, €20. Here you go, €20. Volquega centagat. Do you have 50 cents? Tá cínte, sugat. Yes, certainly. Here you go. Agus €10 ditse, gur mahagat, and €10 for you. Thank you. Gur mahagat, féin. Sláinte. Thank you. Cheers. And now it's your turn to read through the conversation. Agus inis sa cafe, in the cafe. Freastalí, fáilte roimh, cad buailibh. Customer, beag dhá cappuccino again agus cá cibéal go bháin le do hull. Freastalí, cínte, nó méid do bháin. Customer, ba míad hawl anseo. Go brá. Freastalí, inis suíomh. Customer, gur maithgat an buile le do hull. Freastalí, cínte, sin $8 le do hull. Customer, inis sugat gur maithgat. Freastalí, ná habair é. Agus inis rachamí tríd le chéile, and we'll go through it together. Fáilte roimh, cad buailibh. Welcome. What would you like? Roimh is the plural. Fáilte roimh, you're welcome. Fáilte roimh, you're welcome to more than one person. Cad buailibh, what would you like? Beag dhá cappuccino again, agus cá cibéal go bháin le do hull. We'll have 2 cappuccinos and 1 small cake, please. Cínte, nó méid do bháin. Certainly, 1 minute. Ba míad hawl anseo. We'll be over there. Go brá. Fine. Inis, suíomh. And now here you go. Gur maithgat an buile le do hull. Thank you. The check or the bill, please. Cínte, sin $8 le do hull. Certainly, that's $8.50, please. Inis, sugat gur maithgat. Now here you go. Thank you. Ná habair é. You're welcome. Ná habair é literally means don't mention it, but it's where you might say you're welcome in English. Ná habair é. Don't mention it. And now it's your turn. Cortóirí Sawalia, visitors at home, or guests. Nora, tá tart ar an inis. Tá mé chun cafe a dhéanamh, an méid cupán cafe a gcuibh. Eilish, beag té a gamsa le do hull. Sarah, bhfuil lumsa cupán cafe le do hull. Nora, le siúcra agus bainne? Eilish, bainne agus siúcra domsa. Sarah, cafe dúmh gan siúcra domsa má sé do hull é. Nora, bhfuil píosa cácha le sin? Sarah, níor mhaith gur maithagad, Níl ocras orm. Eilish. Ba bhá lumsa gur maithagad, píos sa beag. Nóra, suíomh. Sarah agus Eilish, gur maithagad. Nóra, fáil suíomh. Agus rachan tríd le chéile, and we'll go through it together. Nóra, tá tart inis. I'm thirsty now. Tá mé chun cafe a dhéanamh. I'm going to make coffee. I'll make cup on cafe a give. Would you like a cup of coffee? Or will you have a cup of coffee? Eilish, beg té a gomsa le the hull. I'll have tea, please. Ba bhá lumsa cup on cafe le the hull. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Le sucre agus bainne with milk and sugar. Bainne agus sucre domsa. Milk and sugar for me. Cafe dove gan sucre domsa, má sé the hulle. Black coffee without sugar for me, please. Bhá libh piece of caca le sin? Would you like a piece of cake with that? Níor gur maithagad, níl ocras orm. No thanks, or sorry, no, thank you. I'm not hungry. Ba bhá lumsa gur maithagad, píos a beag. I would. A small piece. Suíomh, there you go. Or here you are. Gur maithagad, thank you. Fáil suíomh, you're welcome. And now it's your turn. Roll emmert sa teach torna, and these directions are for a group of people working together, probably in a class situation. Duine A ag ghlacha roll an rastalí agus duine B roll an chostamara. So person A takes the role of the waiter or waitress and person B the customer. Ba cheart dóibh na roll sin a chleachta le chéile, so they should practice those roles together. An sin, bogig lucht bí deisio gan chleachta sa roll chéanna le duine nua. Then person B moves to the right or clockwise and practices the same role again with a new person. So let's say you're doing it in a circle, they move to the next person and practice the same role. An sin ba cheart dóibh díobh roll a bhall or two. Then you should reverse roles. Lucht A roll an chostamara, so those who are A's should be the customers, and a ghlacha agus roll B an rastalí, and those who are B should become the waiters. And if you're just working with a study buddy or a partner, you can just reverse the roles. Roll emmert sa cafe, again the same similar directions. Duine A ag ghlacha roll an rastalí, agus duine B roll an chostamara. Ba cheart dóibh na roll sin a chleachta le chéile, an sin bogig lucht bí deisio gan chleachta sa roll chéanna le duine nua, an sin ba cheart díobh roll a bhall or two, lucht A roll an chostamara a ghlacha agus lucht B roll an rastalí. So the same directions as sa teach torna. Roll emmert cuairteoirí sa bhaile. Duine A ag ghlacha roll Nóra, duine B roll Sarah agus duine C Eilish. So A, Nóra, B, Sarah and C Eilish. Ba cheart dóibh na roll sin a chleachta le chéile, so practice the roles together, and sin ba cheart díobh roll a bhall or two, and then switch up roles. Ceistena a ragart. So Answering questions or questions to answer. Lé agus freagar na ceistena se a leanas. Read and answer the following questions. An bhfuil éon óclóir sna córáite gur bhaile leat a amhlaim. Is there any vocabulary in the conversations that you would like to learn? Chuna sa ólan tú. The hay. Le. How do you drink your tea or your coffee with? The café. Le. Cahan is féidir leat úsáid a bhaint as an bhóclóir se. When could you use this vocabulary? Sa céad chóra dúirt an customer sláinte. In the first conversation, the customer said sláinte. An digan tú cad is brí le sláinte. Do you understand what sláinte means? Cad a deirtar I the theanga dhúchais. What do they say in your native language? So sláinte literally means health, but it's also a toast like cheers. Agus sin deireadh le Rannóg Costas. And that's the end of section 10, the cost or cost. Lamúna, ceist de chur, céad atá rud éigean, agus ag freagart na ceiste sin, agus an bille a lurg, asking how much something costs, answering that question and asking for the check. Tá na nótaí agus bilóga oibre le fáil in éineacht le cóid fuaimne agus nasca na cuisle, suíomh lúscartaí. The lecture notes and worksheets to accompany the course, along with the MP3 files and Quizlet links, this is a flashcard website, are available. The original files are available to download at Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge, teg.ie, or edited versions can be found at my website, simplyjacinta.com. Direct link is in the description box below. Míle buíochas the Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge as cead a thuairt dom úsáid a bhaint as na háiseanna closamhairc atá le fáil ar a suíomh. Many thanks to Theastas Eorpach na Gaeilge for their information to use, the learning materials and resources that are available on their website. Tásúlgam gur bhain sibh tanna bhas. I hope you enjoyed it and got some use out of it. If you did, like and subscribe and share with your friends who may be interested in learning Irish.